Hey, hello everyone. Let's see how to use jumping statements in JavaScript. As we saw already, control statements are used to control the flow of execution. These jumping statements also comes under control statements. In JavaScript, we have two jumping statements. One is break and another one is continue. Basically, break statement is used to break from the loop. I mean, when some condition is true, if we want to exit from the loop, you can use the break statement. Okay, break is mostly used to exit from the loop. Okay, and when some condition is true, we want to skip that loop, and if you want to continue from the next loop, then we should use the continue statement. Okay, basically, continue statement is used to skip loop and continue from next loop. Right. Now let's see each of these in action. Let me start with the break loop, sorry, break statement. I'm gonna create a for loop for let is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5. The basically the idea is to print numbers from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I plus plus. Then I'm just printing those console.log I. Okay. Now let's see what is the output. Okay, there is error log. Sorry. Okay, now you can see it just a for loop printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's say when this I comes, it will print right 0, 1, 2, and when I reaches 3, I want to exit the loop. I don't want to print 3 and 4. How do I do that? That's where the break statement will come in. Let's say if I is equal to 3, and when after I print, after this program print 0, 1, and 2, when I reaches 3, I want to break. So this what will happen is it will break from this entire for loop and it will come out. So the output will be 0, 1, and 2 only. When I is 3, the loop will break and 3 and 4 will not print. Okay, let's see the output. You can see, right? The output is 0, 1, and 2. Nice. I think we saw the same in conditional statement also whenever we used a switch, right? Um, and we used a conditional statements when we use a switch case. Whenever this case is satisfied, right, then we should break because we don't want to execute the other cases. So that's why we used, in order to come out of this switch loop, we used a break statement. Okay, this is one more example for break. Now let's see how to use a continue statement. Let's say I want to, I don't want to print 3, okay, or I don't want to print 2 alone. I want to print 0, 1, and then when 2 comes, I have to skip the loop. I want to skip the loop and I have to print 3 and 4. So in that case, you should use continue. You know what will happen is 0 will print, 1 will print, and then when 2 comes, it will come here. So it will continue, right? So it will continue, it will skip this loop and it will continue to the next loop. So 3 and 4 will be print. Let's see the output. You can see, right? 0, 1, and 2 is not printed, and 3 and 4 is printed. Okay, we can use this with along with the OR operator also. Let's say I don't want to print 2 and 3. Then let me add one more condition. I is equal to 2 or I is equal to 3. In those cases, I want to skip the loop. Okay, so now what will be the output? 0, 1, 2 and 3 will not be printed, and 4. Okay, we can see 0, 1, and 4. So this is how we need to use a control statement in order to skip from the loop and continue to the next loop. Okay, hope you understand, right? Break is used to exit from the loop, and continue is used to skip and continue from the next loop. Yeah, I think I'm good. Thanks for watching.